Hello, hello. Can you hear me, Vaida?
Hey, hi teacher. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, fine. Let's start.
Mhm.
Yesterday we were doing something related to the
File handling with user
yeah
input something.
user input. Yes, correct. File handling with the user input, right?
Yes.
Okay, so let's continue this one because everything before it, like with open and everything, we have done. So we'll start from here. Okay, file handling with the user input. So we can take information from the user and save it into the file. Okay, so name input you can take from the user, like enter your name, then you can take up the age. With open, you open the file. Okay, and you open the file and you write which you have taken from the user, right? So the age and name you will write it in the file and data saved successfully. So the information entered by the user will be stored permanently to the file. Let's try this.
Teacher, your voice is breaking so much.
Okay, wait. Can you hear me? Just tell me when you hear my voice very well.
Mhm.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now it's good, teacher. Yes, now it's good.
Okay, fine. So let's try this code in our VS Code.
Now it's good. Before it was so much breaking. Now it's even
Okay.
clear. Yes, I do. Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, let's run the file. So first of all, it will take the name and then age, and it will open up this file and will write it to that file. Okay, so let's run it. It's taking a while. Just
Mhm.
you can see it's asking for name, right?
Okay.
So I can write Sachin Tendulkar is 21. So data saved successfully, and on the right side you can see it, right?
Mhm.
So let's run it again. Yeah, and now I will say Cristiano Ronaldo, 825. Oh, it's replacing. How to
Oh,
fix it?
um, How to fix it?
How we can add at the end without replacing the data. We have done this in the last class.
Cl-
Do you remember? Huh? We have done in the this in the last class. How to add data without replacing.
Yeah, correct. Uh, so, do we need to close it?
No, closing. No, it will not help. Closing will not help.
Okay.
I think you forgot.
Yeah, yeah, correct. I'm just thinking like
Okay, let me give you a hint. It is related to the append.
append.
Yes.
Hmm. So in that case, we need to add a one more line of code for append?
No, no, no. We just have to change this one. This write mode to the append mode.
So correct. So, but then do we need to remove this write mode?
Yes, I have removed the W.
Oh,
W added the A.
oh, student text as append.
So what do you think? What it will do now?
So since it's going to add the first information and then the second one.
Yes, correct. Let me run it. Suppose I write. Let me run the file. Yeah. So name I can say Sachin, age 21. Now you can see Sachin is added right here. Right? There is no replacement now. It is adding up.
Mm-hmm.
So do you understand the meaning the difference between write mode and append mode?
Yeah, I do. I do understand, but yeah.
Okay. So I will add the
So
one more
append we are
information.
adding and write we just overwrite it something. It's
Yes.
going to delete the old one, adding something new.
Yes. See now I will I will do this append one more time. I will add that different information. Okay. So I will say Messi
Okay.
25. Can you see? It is added to our data.
Correct.
So are you able to understand what is the difference between W and A mode?
Yeah, now I understand. Yes.
So what is W mode?
Uh, W is it just overwrite something, it delete the old data. But the A is it keep the old data and adding the new one like appending.
Yes, correct. Now let's move to the next one.
Can you hear me, teacher?
So reading the saved data. So we will do this now, okay? Reading the saved data. So with the reading the saved data, okay. Now we will do the read mode, okay. We have done writing mode, append mode. Now we will do the read. How to read from the file. So with open student with the R mode, and then we will do file dot read. All right. Let's try to read it now.
Mm-hmm.
So file dot read. This will read the data and it will print. So let's read it. Wow. Can you see this?
So what it did?
It's reading from the txt file.
Okay.
Earlier we were doing writing. Now this is reading.
Yes. Okay, yeah. So earlier we just like create file, add information. Now it only read it.
Yeah, reading means getting the information. Earlier we were inserting the data. Now we are getting the data.
Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Okay. So this read the information stored in the student.txt.
Mm-hmm.
Now next is checking whether a file exists. Python OS module can be used to check whether a file exists or not. What do you understand by the file exist?
So that's like the file exists. It's there. It's the file which was generated sometime or created. It exists. It's something like reading mode.
Yes, you can say reading, but you can say checking. For example,
Checking.
I
Yes.
want to check whether my data.txt file is there or not, right? So if you
Yes.
want to
Uh-huh.
know if it is there or not, so you have to use this OS module. OS
Mm-hmm.
means operating system.
Okay.
Yeah. So import OS if os.path.exist student txt. If that exists, then it will print the file exists. Else it will say the file do not exist.
Okay.
So let me try this. os.path.exist. Suppose I will check for some file which is not here. For example,
Mm-hmm.
I will say USA data.txt. If I does this file is available here, USA
No,
data?
it's not. No, I don't see it.
Yes. So if you run it, it says file does not exist, right? Because this
Okay.
condition
Mm-hmm.
os.path.exist becomes false because it
Mm-hmm.
is not here, right? That's why it is
Mm-hmm.
printing file exists. Sorry, file does not exist. It is false.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, suppose I check for student.txt. Now, what do you think? Does this file exist here?
Student, it should return
It should return what?
because it's there. We have student file.
Yeah, it will say file
Yeah, it does.
exists. I'm running it. Yeah, I'm running it. You will see the output. I don't know why it takes so much time to run. Yeah, we have the output. Can you see that? File exists.
Yeah, it's taking.
Yes, right.
Even I receive your voice very late. Like I think,
Okay, no problem. It will be fixed within few minutes.
yeah, I do. Yeah, I do. File exists.
Yes. Okay, fine. So let's move to the next part now.
Okay.
So 18th. So this is our next topic. Creating a new file with X. So do you know how many modes we have in the file handling?
So we had 5.
Yes, you can see. Yeah, you can read it here. R,
Yeah.
read for reading, W for writing, A for append, and X for creating new file. Right?
Okay. Yeah. Creating X is the first. Okay.
Yes. So now we will be using this last one, X. Right? We will do this one.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Creating a new file with the X. So X mode create a new file. So you write open new file .txt X. If you do any file in the name of any file which does not exist, then this will create a new file,
Mm-hmm.
and you can write it something inside the file and then you can close it. So let me try this. So open new file .txt with the X mode, and then you can write Python, hello Python, and close it. Now see this. Can you see it created a new file here?
Yes.
Yeah, see it's saying hello file. Now
So one
it
thing,
created. Yeah,
even if we do not use this way, it's going to create a new file. So
yeah.
the
Even you
student,
wrote the even you use the W mode, that also
yeah,
creates a new
correct,
file. Yeah.
correct.
So yeah, we have a two method to create a file.
Okay.
But that W mode directly create if it is not there. If create it and write it. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
this one, the X mode will create the file, and you can also write it.
Okay.
Okay, what if, see this, what if the file already exists, Python will raise an error if it is already there. Suppose if I run it again, because file is already there,
Mm-hmm.
can you see the error?
Yeah, yeah, correct.
Right? If there is
So
the
file
file, then it will
exists.
not create a new one.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the difference. But in the W mode, if you write a file, it will create it and write it. If the file name is same, it will again write it into the same file. If
Mm-hmm.
there is a new file name, then it will create a new file. Okay. But
Mm-hmm.
this one, it will not create a new file again with the same name.
Correct.
So let's do a little bit of mini project on this student information manager. Here what we will do, we will take the input name, course, goal, and all the information we will store in the txt file. Okay, the name we will store, course we will store,
Mm-hmm.
we will store the goal,
Mm-hmm.
and with open in the read mode we can read the information,
Mm-hmm.
right? And complete program. So complete program we can, you can see which we are having here. So
Mm-hmm.
here it's asking the user to enter the information, then we are writing to the file. Student information saved successfully, and the student information it will print here.
Mm-hmm.
You can see, right? So let's do this one.
Yes.
So what we are doing in these 3 lines? What we are doing in the first 3 lines?
So in there we are writing or inputting the information.
Yes, correct.
So
And
we provide our own input.
okay, what we are doing in the next 4 lines?
So in here we are, since we already input the information, then Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
So in here we created, since we already provide our own input, our own information, and here we can write, overwrite something, or also we can bring it to the new line.
Okay, let's do the append mode. Okay, so that we can write it
Since it's
multiple
W,
times.
it's we are overwriting the information.
Yes, right.
Since now it's A is appending.
And what
So
do
we
you
are not
think
deleting
about
the
this?
old information, we are
Yes,
just
right.
adding new information with
Yes, correct,
like appending.
correct. So with this print, what we are doing here?
Mm-hmm. So with the print, print student nation saved. So it's just returning us like the information. Is it saved or not?
Yes, correct. It will print in our terminal, right? Okay. In the last 2 line, what do you think what we are doing here? Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, now I can hear. Can you hear me, teacher?
Yeah, I can hear you. Actually, I said, what do you think in the last two lines? What we are doing here?
Okay, so in here we are just printing those information which we, first of all, we provide our input, then we append some more information.
All right. So, are you ready? Shall I run it?
Yes,
Okay. So, name you can say Messi, and course is AI. Goal is how many goals Messi did. uh, Goal we can say AI engineer. Mm, student information is here. Can you see it is also printing the information right back?
correct. Yeah, yeah, correct.
So let's run it again. So when you run it again, it will ask different information. So you saw Ronaldo.
Yes, in here we are doing append.
Yeah, Python and goal give Python developer. You can see the Messi data is also here and Ronaldo data is also here, right?
Correct. Yes.
And here also you can see in the file it is storing the information, right?
Yes.
Okay. So wait one more minute. You can write file dot write. You can also write this to make a difference. Let's try it again. I will say searching. Course is batting. Goal is cricket. See, Sachin batting cricket, right? So if you run it again, we can say MS Dhoni. Course wicket keeping. Wicket. Ah, there you have to. So
Yeah,
can you
it's
tell
going
me how
offline.
we can fix it?
We can provide the print option.
Because you want after this line you want to change the line. How you can fix it?
We provide the /n option.
Yeah, slash n here, right?
Yeah, correct. With the dots.
Yes, here.
Yeah, correct.
Let me do it manually this time. Next time. Okay, so let's run it. Just 1 minute. It is, yeah, running.
So, did you notice it's coming all in one line?
Name. Basically, actually, I run it twice. That's why. Let me run it again.
Okay.
Yeah, enter the name goal. Let me write random data. By mistake it did this. Let me delete it.
So it's
I'm doing it again.
mm-hmm. Okay.
I think it's stuck.
Yeah, it's stuck. It's not moving from that point.
Wait. File handling. What just happened here? Okay, now yes, fine. Yeah, name. So what shall I write? Elon Musk. Course space X. And goal is Mars. You can see, right? Name Elon
Mm-hmm.
Musk space. You can see it's working.
Correct. Yeah. So now it's
And
moved
you
and
can
showing us.
also, yes, you can also see that all the data it is giving us here, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Correct.
Yes. So basically, you can say you can in the same code you can also write and read in the same code, right? You can write and read both,
Correct.
but you have to open the file twice. One to read, sorry, one to write, one to read. Okay.
Correct. Yeah. If we remove the last part of the coding, it will not return us in the console. Correct.
The console, yes, correct. It will not print in the console because we are doing print. Print is printing in the
Yes.
console.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, this is very beautiful, file handling because you can keep the track of everything, like in a separate file. Like it is very useful if you want to uh, keep the track of any information. You can write it here. Okay, let's move to the next one, which is a common file handling method. Okay, so I think it's just revising it here. Common file handling methods. So open function is used to open file. Read function is used to read the content. Read line function is used to do the reading the one line. Read lines is used to read all the lines. You can hear me, right?
Yes, I do.
Okay, so write function is used to write into the data. Write lines is used to write multiple lines,
Mm-hmm.
and close is used to close the file.
Okay.
Important points to remember are this is used for reading. This is R mode, right?
Mm-hmm. Correct.
And then we have W. W used to writing and can overwrite existing content. This is for writing. A mode. What do you A mode? What is A mode?
A mode is appending files.
Yes, adding the content to the end, which is appending. X mode. What is
X
X
is
mode?
creating.
Yes, creating a new file. Whenever you want to create a new file, you
Correct.
can use the X. And then you have with open with. So recommended way to handle the file, the with open will yeah, you can open the file with a with, you don't have to close it then, right? So this is the most safer way to open the file.
Yes.
All right.
Hmm.
So some practice questions are there. So create a file name hello text and write hello Python. I'm learning file handling. So these are the questions. I will share it with you. Okay. So read the content from the hello txt and display them. Third is append the following. Python is easy to learn. Append this into the file. Create a program that takes a user name, age, mark and save into the file. Create a simple to-do list program that stores tasks and
Okay.
enter the task. Yeah, for example, enter task like learning Python and add it to the file, different file. All right. So yeah, so this was the end of this this one. So now I think you want to. Do you have some question with this file handling? I will share you all the questions on the your WhatsApp. Do you have any question?
No questions.
Okay. So now let's. Okay. So no questions. All the questions I will share it on the WhatsApp. All right. You can try it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So one more thing. Now you want to learn the GitHub, right?
Yes.
Okay. Just let me stop the recording.